Hello guys, Rob here. Welcome to the Hodl EOS channel. It's that time of the month again. The Parsl SEED airdrop is upon us. With a little under 3 days to go, 2 days, 16 hours, 40-ish minutes at the time of this recording. So you need to get onto parslreward.co and complete this month's tasks. Again, it was 5 or 6 questions you just had to answer to be eligible for this month's reward drop. And you're gonna want to get on and do this if you have your SEED token staked, because SEED has been on an absolute tear over the last week. Just from the last week of gains, we peaked out at over 1,120-ish% gains on SEED token. So with the release of the platform getting closer and closer, this thing has taken off here over the last week. Last month, or the month before, people were calling this project dead, but it is far from dead. The release of the platform is upcoming. I believe it is launching in September, somewhere around there, and we are seeing big demand for SEED token, pushing this price up to over 1,000% over the last week. So if you have 100,000 SEED tokens staked, you're looking at about 10 EOS worth of SEED tokens being dropped to you this month. And that's just with 100,000 SEED tokens staked. So definitely make sure, if you have your SEED tokens staked, to get on and complete your tasks this month. 2 days and 16 hours left to do so. Because with the price of SEED skyrocketing like we're seeing it, this is going to be quite the hefty drop this month. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks to the Telos community for their support via the worker proposal system. If you're not on Telos yet, I will leave this link in the description where you can get your free account. We'll walk you through how to do it right here at the free Telos account button. So with the TEDP, this baby right here, getting ready to be passed in a couple of days, Telos is going to be seeing some hefty Rex returns here. So if you don't have your Telos account yet, link in the description, and we'll walk you through how to do it right here at the free Telos account button. But that's going to do it for me for this one. If you guys got any questions, pop them down into the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.